Well, good morning then, sailors and travelers. This is the first of hopefully a long series of videos chronicling the process of restoration of the boat. I thought it was, before I got on with the works, I thought it was a good idea to show you the state of the boat right now as of the 13th of January 2020. And hopefully I'll manage to do a slow, before and after of the boat, showing you the progress as little parts of it get done and ready for the season. So let's begin. So this is the teak deck. As you can see, it's dirty and faded. The wood is in good condition. It's relatively new, but there's the boat has been in the sun and rain, in the open for over a year now, summer and winter. So you can see here, the wood here is starting to chip the cover of the wood, and this will have to be all sanded and fixed up. The teak will have to be cleaned and oiled at least. This is in a particularly bad shape. This will be entirely sanded and repainted. These bollards here are starting to crack. They need to be sanded and repainted. Even these bollards are starting to slightly rust. They'll need to be cleaned. And the seating area is, well, mostly dirty. The paint is fine, but it will have to be cleaned and fixed up. Some of the shelves don't open properly, and then cushions will be added. Now, the worst is probably down here. As you can see, well, the boat was quickly fixed up with some kind of glue instead of proper caulking, and I'll have to completely scrape away everything and sand all the paint away back to the wood, and then repaint everything. So this is the other side where I already started to work. As you can see, I've had to sand the paint away. Well, more will be done, and then scrape out all the caulking from here. See, in case you don't know, this is what caulking of a wooden boat looks like. These are cotton threads, and they're put into the seams here, hammered in with a special hammer, and then covered with resin. Except what I'm doing now, I'm tearing them all out because new ones will need to be put in. So as you can see, this is all the stuff I've been pulling out. And the way you take this out is with this tool, which looks like a sort of tiny meat hook, but it's made exactly to go in the seams and slide and tear out both these cotton threads and that sort of glue that was put in. The propeller and the propeller guard are, well, rusted, and little sea animals made their nest here. And this is where the helm will go. Rusted, and well, the wood isn't quite rotting, but isn't in good shape. It'll need to be treated carefully. So yeah, for now I'm almost done with this side, scraping the paint away and tearing all the old caulking out, and hopefully I'll be done in another couple of days, and I'll go on the other side.